These emails you are seeing on the screen are LinkedIn emails. Yes, targeted LinkedIn emails. And I used free tools to gather these emails, which I'm going to show you in this video. So make sure you like, you subscribe, and let's get into it. Just check out, just check out, just check out, just check out. We are going to use two tools for this video. Now, before I continue, make sure you check out my Udemy course on how you can create an SMTP server that can send bulk emails, like 20k of emails per day, right? Make sure you go and check it out. And if you want to buy tools, email scrappers, email extractors, verifiers, VPS, RDP, SMTPs, webmail, make sure you visit the website at the description, shop.smartvidpro.com, right? Make sure you go and check that website out. So now the first tool we are going to use is this, which is recruiting.net. I have used this tool before, and I have countless videos on how you can script emails. Like, you can get even 50,000 of emails if you have time, if you follow the procedures very well. So I am taking my time in this video to guide you very well on how you can gather targeted LinkedIn emails. Right, the next tool we are going to use is Easy Email Extractor. Right, so the first of all, you are going to create Google Doc with this tool, and you are going to search that. You are going to use that doc that we created to search on Google, and we are going to use this tool to script the emails or to extract the emails. So in my previous video that I created, search engine has search settings that we could have, expand the search result, but now that feature is no more available. So this tool can help us to gather as many emails as possible. Right, so now first of all, we are going to do the search with this tool, which is recruiting.net. I'll leave the link at the description. Just click on it and you'll be redirected to this page. Right, so now when you scroll down, make sure you have selected LinkedIn. Right, then scroll down, you are going to see easily use Google to search profiles on LinkedIn. So you are going to use Google, right, to search profiles on LinkedIn, and you're going to use this to scrap that emails or to script that emails. Right, so first of all, you need to select the country. So now they have updated the country. In my previous video there was only small country, but now we have a whole lot of countries, like more than 100 countries. So you select the country that I want. So for instance, if I want Poland, I'm just going to click on Poland over here. Then I have to enter the job title. Remember, we are finding targeted emails, so we need the target. So let's say we are looking for marketers. So let's say you are looking for marketers, right? So marketers, right? Very good. And we can also click on show similar jobs. So if the person is not a marketer and the person is an advertiser, the person will be included, and it will help us to expand our results, right, surrounding what we are searching for. Right, good. The next thing is to add location or keyword to include. Location or keyword to include. We already have country Poland. We can talk about cities in Poland, right? If you want to gather a lot of emails, we need to be targeting cities or maybe states. So you can quickly do a search here, like cities in Poland. We can also use ChatGPT to do that, right? You just tell ChatGPT to list the cities in Poland, right? So we have the cities over here. So we have the Warsaw. So I can just copy this Warsaw, and then I can include that in this section. You get it? So I can just say Warsaw, right? Then I can add this. I feel it should work. Then space, and the @, then gmail.com, and I'm going to put that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to put that in quotation marks so that it will show that we are talking about two different things altogether. Right, so, or we can say Gmail, or better still, we can write a proper English, right? You can say, let me cut this and delete the quotation mark. You can say Gmail LinkedIn Warsaw, right? Something like this, and it should work, right? Then we can or we can also see something like at yahoo.com, or in bracket, okay, in capital letters, right? And the candidate is or. If you want specific, you can choose from here. Your current employer is not really necessary, right? But if you want to, get more targeted leads, you can list the employer, right? So I hope this works. I haven't used this keyword before, so I'm just going to click on find the right people on LinkedIn. Now the search link has been created for us, okay, that contains the doc, right? So we can search in Bing or we can search in Google, right? I'm going to use Google for that, so I'm going to click on open in Google and let's see the result. All right, so we only had one result, which is one marketer, right? And the phone number, right? I think we got this because of how I wrote this. We are going to change this, right? Basically I can just say Gmail in, let's see this, Gmail in Warsaw. So I'm going to click open and you can see the results are in, right? So let's check out this, and I think this is not even really working fine. Let's click on this and see. Okay, let's see if there are some Gmail. Okay, so you can see there are no Gmails in here. We are only seeing Warsaw, right? Yes, but there are no Gmails, right? So in the I think we don't have to add the city, right? So let's leave it like that. Mostly this is how I do the search, but I was trying to add the city to see if it's going to work, right? So I'm going to just click this and do this, and this should gather some emails, right? Okay, so you can see we have some email over here. We have some Gmail, right? So we have Gmail over here, right? We have some Gmail. Okay, we have some Gmail over here. So these are all Gmails, right? All right, so what we are going to do next is to install the extractor. So just click on, I'll leave the link at the description. Just click on add to Chrome and click on add extension. All right, so as you can see, it has been installed. Just click on the extension icon over here and pin it, right? So now we are done. You can just click on it to see how it looks like. So all your emails will be here, right? So now let's go back here and to the search. Make sure we are in page 1, okay? Then let's refresh the page. So we need to solve the captcha first. So that's why you need to be available by your computer, right? If you are using automated tools, that tool will automatically solve this captcha for you. All you have to do is just sit back and wait for it. But because we are doing everything manual, right? So you can see we have already gathered 8 emails from this page, right? These are all emails from this page. Now what we are going to do next is we are going to scroll down and click next. All right, so I just have to click here and you can see these are the emails, right? You just have to select this and you click on copy selected, and you have to open your notepad and you just paste it in over here. Come to the next line, right? Come to the next page like this. Refresh. Okay, so it's already there. You just have to select this, right? And you have to copy. Maybe you can refresh for more detailed. Okay, so that's all. You just have to add it, right? Paste something like that. Now let's go to the next page like this and let's refresh, right? You got 8 emails over here. Select all. They are going to be a lot of duplicates, so don't worry about it. Just keep on doing this. Now the next thing we are going to do is we are going to remove duplicates, right? Because there are some duplicates there in there. There are emails which are not good and there are duplicates in there, right? And the duplicates, the emails that are not good are being duplicated, so we need to remove those duplicates and also validate those emails, right? So the next one, I'm going to refresh the page. You had 9 emails. I'm going to select this, copy, and I'm going to add this. So keep on doing this till you get the number of emails that you have. So I have like 30 emails now. Now if you want automated tool, if you want tool that you just have to sit back, wait for it to extract the leads for you, just visit shop.smartvidpro.com and you're going to get tools out there, very cool price tools, right, to help you do that. Yeah, so that is it. So that's how you're gonna do to gather your emails. So you do it as many as you want. Okay, right. So after gathering all the emails that you need, right, all you have to do is just copy everything. We are going to remove duplicates, right? So come to this tool, and I'll leave the link at the description, mailmatthew.com/2/remove duplicates. So you just have to paste your emails over here, right? Then you scroll down and click on remove duplicates, right? So you can see it was 30 original emails. Now we removed 12 emails and remaining 18, right? So that's how you just have to copy this, right, just like that, and replace everything inside here with that emails. So these are these are your emails which has been cleaned or duplicate removed, right? But there are some invalid emails over here, like this one is invalid, like this one is invalid, right? You can use a free email verifier to validate those emails, and I've already created a video on that. I'll leave the link at the description. But if you want a tool that can bulk validate emails, like more than 10,000 emails, make sure you check the website out, shop.smartvidpro.com. You're going to find some tools over there, or you can get in touch with me for some beautiful tools. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe. Those who want to learn how to create an SMTP server that can send bulk emails, like 20k of emails, I have a course on Udemy. Make sure you go and check out that course. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.